Tell me you love me again, just for a second. I need to get this inside my head, just so I know that it's not pretend. When I close my eyes, it feels like forever. Keep me alive, or maybe it's better. Oh, 'cause I'm wasted on this love thing and my head hurts from all this overthinking, making love work. We're driving down the same road at full speed. Feels like I'm dreaming, and somebody stop me. Tell me you want me one more time. Tell me everything's gonna be fine. I want to burn this inside my mind, so I know that we'll be alright. 'Cause I'm wasted on this love thing and my head hurts from all this.
These are the things that I bought. I bought this notebook, which was only £1, and here I'm going to plan all my YouTube videos and the things I need to take. Into my dorm. And then I bought these pens, which are the gel pen, because I'm obsessed with gel pens. And also, I didn't buy a lot of things, but I bought this notebook. I had this notebook last year, my previous year, and it was amazing. But that one was with the divider, and this one isn't with the divider. So I prefer this one, so I can write everything without the dividers, and then copy everything on my iPad. I know, guys, that you are waiting for my what is my iPad video, but I don't like my voice that much, so I don't know if I should upload it. Like, it's already there, but if you want me to upload it, please write it down below in the comment. So yeah. Oh, also follow me on my Studygram, which I just opened the account, so please follow me on my Studygram over here and on my Instagram over here. I don't know how I'm going to do these things, but I'm going to do it. So I just finished taking my small induction meeting. I didn't even know that we were doing a meeting, but yeah, I joined at the last minute. I joined almost at the beginning because they were having some problems. But now I need to do some work, so I'm going to do that. I mean, when I'm not busy and I shouldn't be busy, I'm busy. So yeah. I'm done. but